How to get $150,000 of business credit in a loan with no credit check. Have you found it difficult to find funding for your business, your small business, through either loans or business credit? Do they all require you to add your social security number and require a credit check? No, it's not true. They do not all require a credit check. And I'm about to share with you a company that will give you up to $150,000 in a business loan, even if you have bad personal credit with no credit check. You could use these funds for working capital to expand your business, or if you need startup funds. I know so many are out there for startup funds, so you're going to want to hear this one, okay? This is the channel that provides you an all-access pass to everything cash flow, capital, and credit by ensuring you have the right financial literacies for business success. This is part of my Leveraging of Debt Weapons series so that you can gain access to business loans, business credit, and open new streams of revenue and cash flow for your business. Stop saying you're in a side hustle and start saying, I am open for business. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of my next upcoming videos. Let's dive in. I'm about to share with you how to gain access to $150,000 in a business loan without any credit checks. With this company, you can actually leverage more than $150,000. I've actually seen as high as $500,000 with no credit checks. You gotta be asking, how is that possible? Okay, you will be able to access this cash. It'll come to you as in the form of cash, and you don't have to worry about any qualifying expenses. Use the money as you see fit for working capital, expanding your business, or as I do, use them as debt weapons, and I turn on new streams of revenue for more additional cash flow. Take it from me, everybody. I'm Edward Bilder, millionaire, real estate investor, entrepreneur, coach, educator, engineer, and I'm father of 4, and I have spent the past 2 years teaching members of my channel and members of my courses on how to leverage debt weapons and gain access to credit to expand their small businesses. We did this with PPP, we did this with EIDL, and now we're doing it with other financial institutes. Today we're going to talk about a company that so many of you just simply overlook. You don't even realize what the potential is with this fintech, especially those of you who are in my Airbnb short-term rental courses. These students overlook this company so much, and the company is PayPal. Now, who or what exactly is PayPal? You may actually go out and search PayPal and find Elon Musk's name show up next to PayPal. PayPal is actually a fintech. It's an online fintech company that after users link their bank accounts and their credit cards, you now have a safe method of transferring funds to other PayPal users. It's perfect for small business owners who need to accept credit card payments. They allow you, the business owner, to transact the credit card payments, link it directly to your bank account, and then convert it to cash. Cash is a key word here because it applies to cash flow. You're running cash flow transactions through this merchant PayPal account, all right? Now, if you're running significant amounts of transactions through your PayPal business account, you will qualify for PayPal business loans. One requirement here, I've said it a few times, is that you have to have a legitimate business set up in your state with an official EIN number, a federal EIN number, in order to gain access to these business loans. But don't worry, that is so easy to get started. Now, I'm not going to go into depth on how to open a business in this particular video. So after the video, check out this video linked right here in the description if you need further assistance on starting up your business. Because today we want to talk about PayPal, okay? Now, after you've gone and opened your PayPal business account, you will need to remember this milestone. It is 3 months. 3 months is all it takes. You need to have 3 months of history of transactions inside of your PayPal bank account before they will offer you a loan. This is why it is perfect for business startups, because 0 to 6 months is considered a startup business. Now, if you have a business that's been open for longer than 6 months, you would still need 3 months of transactions inside of PayPal so that they could start to monitor those transactions and understand exactly how much you're averaging each and every month. Now, how fast exactly is this process to gain access to a PayPal loan and start to see money in your bank account? You could check your eligibility online in a matter of minutes and have a decision. The funds are then transferred to your PayPal account after you accept on the very next business day. It shows up as cash that you can then transfer in minutes over to your linked bank account. How it works is that you get an app added inside of your PayPal app to fill out the application process and track the loan process. But once it's approved, it's fairly straightforward and simple. The funds are transferred over to your PayPal account. It's added to your whatever funds are available, and then you could transfer that over to your existing bank account that's linked inside of your PayPal. Wow, I'm revealing all of my biggest secrets in this video. Remember to hit the like button and become a subscriber. Hit that bell notification if you want to be reminded of my upcoming videos. And if you want me to go into more depth on anything that I'm talking about in this video, leave a comment down below. The best and fastest way to grow wealth quickly is to take others along with you. So please share this with all of your friends and family. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice, and I am not a CPA, so none of this is considered tax advice. Now let's get back to the video. Now, how much can I qualify for, and what exactly is the interest that's going to be charged? Now, you're not actually charged interest. You're charged a one-time fee. It's a fixed fee that you pay in advance. You know about it in advance, and you pay it in advance. There are no late fees, there are no early repayment fees, and there are no processing fees. An idea of how much you could qualify for, I've seen anywhere from $25,000 up to $150,000, and I've even seen it go higher than $150,000 to a $500,000 loan offer. Now, just because you get a higher amount, be careful, because those higher amounts, you can pay these pretty outrageous fees. For example, a $500,000 fee is $150,000 for a total repayment of $650,000. That's a 30% charge that's added to it. So you can do a lot better than 30%, but when you're talking about $25,000 up to $150,000, that's not so bad to swallow, okay? You could definitely swallow that and make it up with your existing cash flow. You get to choose the loan amount that's desired and tailored to fit your business needs, and the repayment schedule is weekly and auto-deducted from your accounts. There's one cool advantage that is not so black and white, is there's tax benefits to taking this particular type of loan. PayPal automatically deducts the amount of the loan of what is reported on your taxes by PayPal as an expense. For example, if you get a $150,000 loan, they will deduct that from how much they are sending over to what you've earned in your cash flow through PayPal and receiving those transactions. And the more cash flow that you run through your PayPal account, the higher offer you will receive. This is such a hidden gem, especially for all of my students out there that are Airbnb and short-term rental students. You can very quickly run anywhere between $30,000 and $60,000 a month in cash flow through your PayPal account from your guests through Airbnb, and this will definitely help you in funding your growth as an Airbnb short-term rental host. Gaining access to $150,000 is a big game changer. It could allow you to go out and open many, many more Airbnbs. I want to thank you all for joining me again for another video today. Remember to hit the like button and become a subscriber before you leave. And if you need further assistance on anything we talked about in this video, remember to join my email list. Simply go to the description, type in your email, hit submit, and you'll get a notification that you've been added to my emails. I'm always sending out free templates and sending out information on my Airbnb master course, which will be launching here in the next few weeks. Get yourself added to the email list. Now, remember, I also have a crash course that's available for a very limited time. I am merging that crash course with my master course, and it will no longer be offered at such a great value. It teaches you how to open an Airbnb with a $50 bill, cash flow in 3 business days through Airbnb, earning an extra $5,000 to $10,000 each and every month. The process is very scalable. You just simply repeat it over and over again and scale and grow to as large as you wish. That course, again, is limited because I'm merging it very soon here with my master course, and it will no longer be available at all for such a great value. And if you guys would like some one-on-one coaching with me, find me through the description as well. I wish you guys all the best and hope that you go out and take these actions today so you have a better and brighter future for tomorrow. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Bye for now.